All right, so a lot of you guys have seen this piece of equipment right back here mounted on the wall, and a lot of people say, well, how do we use that? Well, this is a great way to work your abs. The only thing is you gotta have some upper body strength to do it. Now, it's not something I'm going to necessarily be adding to the circuit. However, if you come over and you're on the row or the hang squats and you have the upper body strength to do it, you would rather do that than one of those, by all means, I want you to have the opportunity. So how do you use it? Well, if you're short like me, you use this black bar behind it to get you up. You lock your elbows into these pads on these handlebars right here. Push your back into the pad, and then for starters, you can just bend your knees and pull that up. You can even do a little twist in it. Or you can do a straight leg raise, right? Just like that. Now, that is a great way to work your abs, and it's relatively easy on the lower back, but man, it will work those abs out. So, it's called the Roman chair. Sometime when you're here, in between circuits, give it a try.